Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Exaroo curtain rod. Full disclaimer, I was given this rod by the company to show you how easy it is to install.
Now let's unpack all of the parts. First we have the very easy to read instructions. Next we have the finials. These are so nice and pretty. Next we have the mounting screws and drywall screws if you decide to use that option. Today we're going to use the adhesive option. And here are the adhesive brackets. And then here's our rod. And they're very nicely packaged so they're not banging up against each other and getting scratches. So here we'll put the rod together and they just screw in place. And then this last one adjusts. It slides in and out according to how wide you need your curtain rod to be. This rod here goes from 48 inches out to 84 inches. Also, this comes in white, what you see here, and it comes in black or bronze. And now we have a rod ready to go. So on this, here's the actual bracket. And let me show you, that just pops once we get this attached to the wall. That you just push it and that little plastic piece is going to hold the rod secure. Now we're just going to clean the area where the curtain rod brackets are going to go since we're using the adhesive. I marked the wall where I wanted to put the brackets and then I applied them. Okay, so we've let the adhesive sit for over 12 hours and now it's time to hang our curtain rod. I am so pleased with how this curtain rod turned out and how easy it was to install.